Here we are discussing about hematopoietic stem cell. This hematopoietic stem cells, you should be knowing, we divide them broadly into two types. It can be myeloid stem cells, it can be lymphoid stem cell. Myeloid stem cell and lymphoid stem cells, this hematopoietic stem cells, they express CD34. So they are positive for CD34. We classify them into two types, that is myeloid stem cells and lymphoid stem cell. This lymphoid stem cell is further classified as B lymphocytes, B lymphocyte and T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, any type of lymphocytes which is mature enough but not encountered an antigen, it is called naive cells. So this will be called initially naive T cells and it will be called as naive B cells. The meaning of word naive is a cell which is mature enough but not encountered an antigen. This naive T cells may express CD4 or it may express CD8. When it expresses CD4, we call this helper T cells. If it expresses CD8, we call this cytotoxic T cells. Cytotoxic T cells. This naive B cells will proliferate to form plasma cells. They will proliferate to form plasma cells. These plasma cells will release immunoglobulins. The first ever immunoglobulin that is being released is IgM. After the release of IgM, it is converted into different types of immunoglobulins. It may remain IgM or it may convert into IgG, IgA, IgD and IgE. This phenomena of conversion of immunoglobulin into different class is called class switching. This phenomena is called class switching. So this is about the cells which are derived from lymphoid stem cells. Second type of cells that we need to discuss is myeloid stem cells. These myeloid stem cells can be of different type. They are basically of four types. These myeloid stem cells can form erythroblast. Erythroblast means further they will form RBC. Erythroblasts will form RBCs. It can be myeloblast. This is the second type, myeloblast. Myeloblast will form NBE. NBE stands for neutrophils, basophils and eosinophils. A third type of cell that is called monoblast. This monoblast will form monocyte. It will form monocytes and these monocytes will form macrophage. The The last type of cell in myeloid stem cell category is megakaryoblast. So this will be fourth type, megakaryoblast. Megakaryoblast. This megakaryoblast will form megakaryocyte. Megakaryocyte, and these megakaryocytes will form thrombocytes. Thrombocytes means they will form platelets. This way, all hematopoietic stem cells, a type of hematopoietic stem cells will give rise to all different type of cells. So if I ask you which cells are the cells which are producing platelets, it will be of myeloid stem cell in origin. So erythroblast will form RBCs. The disorders of RBCs we call this anemia. Disorders of RBCs we use the term anemia. The disorders of platelets or thrombocytes we call them primary hemostatic disorders. Primary hemostatic disorders. And disorders of these lymphocytes are having different terms. They can be a B cell disorder or they can be a T cell disorders. This is the basic. Further discussion of hematology will be continuing in our next discussion on our next video. Thank you so much.